Hello friend, welcome to Phone Rating YouTube channel. This video discuss about by Honor X60 Pro mobile full review specification and price. So let's start my video. Price 30,000 taka. Brand Honor. Category Smartphones. Added on 16 October 2024. Last updated 5th November 2024. Release 2024 October 25. OS Android 14 Magic OS 8. Display 6.8 1080x 2412 pixels. Camera 108 megapixel 2160p. RAM 812 GB RAM Snapdragon 6 Gen 1. Battery 6600 mAh at 66W. Or rating. The overall rating is based on review by our experts. Design 10 per 8, connectivity 10 per 9, display 10 per 8, features 10 per 10, performance 10 per 6, battery 10 per 10, camera 10 per 5, usability 10 per 8. Pro and cons. Pros: 5G network supported, 6.78-inch AMOLED display, 120Hz refresh, Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 with 8 per 12 GB RAM, 18 megapixel rear camera, stereo speakers, 6600 mAh battery with 66 charging. Cons: FM radio NFC was unavailable, no 3.5 mm jack, audio jack, single rear camera, 8 megapixel selfie. Specification. Price. Expected price 30,000 taka. Launch announced 2024 October 16. Status. Available release 2024 October 25. Network. Technology GSM, CDMA, HSPA, CDMA, 2000 LTE, 5G. 2G bands. GSM 850, 900, 1800, 1900, SIM1 and SIM2, CDMA 800. 3G bands. CDM, HSP, HSDPA 850, 900, 2100, CDMA 2001X. 4G bands LTE, 5G bands SA per NSA, speed HSPA LTE 5G. Body dimensions 162.8x 75.5x 8 mm 6.41x 2.97x 0.31 in. Weight 188 G 6.863 OZ. SIM dual SIM nano SIM dual standby. Others waterproof. Display type AMOLED 1B colors 120Hz 3000 peak. Size 6.78 inches 111.5 cm to 90.7% screen to body radio. Resolution 1224x 2700 pixels 437 ppi density. Platform OS Android 14 Magic OS 8. Chipset Qualcomm SM6450 Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 4nm. CPU octa-core 4x 2.2 GHz Cortex A78 and 4x 1.8 GHz Cortex A55. GPU Adreno 710. Memory card slot no. Internally 128 256 512 GB. RAM 812 GB. Variant 8 GB 128 GB, 8 GB 256 GB, 12 GB 256 GB, 12 GB 512 GB. Main camera single 108 megapixel f per 1.8 wide 1 per 1.767 PDF. Features LED flash panorama HDR video 4K at 30 fps 180p at 30 fps. Selfie camera single 8 megapixel f 2.0 wide video 1080p at 30 fps. Sound loudspeaker yes with stereo speakers 3.5 mm jack. Connectivity WLAN Wi-Fi 802.11 ABNSE dual band Wi-Fi direct. Bluetooth 5.182 DPLE aptX LG. GPS GLONASS Galileo BDS. NFC no. FM radio no. USB Type C 2.0 OTG. Infrared port no. Feature sensor fingerprint under display optical accelerometer gyro proximity ultrasound campus satellite connectivity support. Battery type non-removable LiPo. Capacity 6600 mAh. Charging 66W wide 5W reverse wide. More made by China. Color black, green, silver, orange. Models BRP AN00. Honor SX60 Pro price in Bangladesh November 2024. The Honor X60 Pro is now available in three variants: 128 per 256 per 512 GB per 812 GB RAM. Now the Honor 6X60 Pro price in 30,000 taka in Bangladesh. X60 Pro has a 6600 mAh battery with 66W fast charging. This device is running with Android 14 and this is powered by the Qualcomm SM6450 Snapdragon 6 Gen 14nm chipset. Model Honor S60 Pro. Price BDT 30,000 taka. Display 6.8 1080 x 2412 pixels. RAM 8 per 12 GB. ROM 128 per 256 per 512 GB. Release 2024 October. Honor X60 Pro highlight. Honor A60 Pro will be launched in October 2024. Firstly, the display of the X60 Pro is a 6.8 inches AMOLED panel with 180x 2412 pixel resolution. Secondly, the display is protected with unknown glass. X60 Pro phone has a single camera setup on the back. This formation consists of a 108 megapixel wide camera. It has an 8 megapixel selfie camera inside the punch hole of the display. On the other hand, it can support up to micro SD and it has a dual nano SIM card slot. Among the other features, there is VLAN, Bluetooth, USB port, face unlock, etc. Your question and your opinion about the X60 Pro 5G. Which question we will have about this phone? Let's justify this. There we are including the major questions and answers about this phone. So let's start now. When it will be released? It will launch in October 2024. What is the price of the Honor X60 Pro? The price of the Honor X60 Pro is BDT 30,000 taka. How much RAM and ROM does it contain? It has three variants: 8 12 GB, A128 256 512 GB RAM and ROM in the market. Which type of display panel is used in it? It comes with a 6.78 IPS LCD display panel. Which is the chipset? It contains Qualcomm SM6450 Snapdragon 6 Gen 14nm chipset. Does it support a 5G network? Yes, it supports a 5G network with 2G, 3G, 4G. How the battery capacity is? The battery capacity is a 6600 mAh live polymer battery. Which country and company manufactured it? Honor manufactured it and this phone is made in China. Reason to buy. In this graph we will describe the important measure to buy this. Why may a person buy this important smartphone? Firstly, when anyone wants to buy a device, they find out the premium things on the device according to their price. So let us find out some eligible things that are in X60 Pro 5G. Our verdict. On conclusion, we are giving our verdict on the device. Suppose you want to buy the best 5G smartphone under 40k taka. The Honor 60 X60 Pro will be in the first row among the best smartphone. Dear friends, if you are attracted to online games like Free Fire, PUBG Mobile and so on, you can buy them because it has RAM and a well processor using the Qualcomm SM6450 Snapdragon 6 Gen 14nm chipset. If you want a big backup on charge, then you can buy this because it has a huge 6600 mAh battery. In addition, it's a 5G supportable smartphone, so you can get good network facilities on it. However, it has a single cam setup with a 108 megapixel primary camera, so it's the image and video capability may be well. Therefore, to judge all of these reasons, you can buy this. तो दोस्तों आज की वीडियो के लिए सिर्फ इतना ही। मैं मिलता हूँ आपसे अगली वीडियो के अंदर। तब तक के लिए बाय।